In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can become QuickBooks Certified through their online training platform. Achieving certification can elevate your skills and show clients or employers that you're adept at managing automated accounting workflows. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Intuit QuickBooks training website. This platform is an excellent resource provided by Intuit itself, ensuring that you're learning directly from the source. Navigate through the site to get a feel for the variety of materials and resources available. You'll find everything from introductory guides to advanced accounting techniques, all tailored to enhance your competency in QuickBooks. Once you're familiar with the website, it's time to enroll in the certification course. This course is designed not only to expand your knowledge, but also to prepare you for the certification exam. When enrolling, make sure to input all required details carefully. This course is specifically structured to guide you through every aspect of QuickBooks to ensure you're fully prepared for the challenges and opportunities the software presents. Remember, investing the time here is crucial because a comprehensive understanding will improve your efficiency and accuracy in using QuickBooks. After enrollment, you'll need to work through the training modules and practice tests. These materials are comprehensive and cover a wide array of topics. Each module focuses on specific functions and features of QuickBooks, from setting up accounts to understanding complex reporting. Pay close attention to each module and don't rush. The practice tests are an invaluable tool for self-assessment, allowing you to gauge your understanding as you progress. It's beneficial to go through these tests multiple times to build confidence and comfort with the material. As you advance through these modules, take meticulous notes and take advantage of any downloadable resources to reinforce your learning. Now, once you've completed the training and are feeling confident, the next critical step is scheduling your certification exam. The website usually has a straightforward process for this. You'll select a date and time that works best for you, allowing you plenty of opportunity to review and absorb all the information you've studied. When the day of the exam arrives, find a quiet and comfortable space to take the test, free from distractions. This certification exam is designed to assess your competence thoroughly, so take your time and approach each question thoughtfully. Passing the certification exam is your final milestone. Be proud of the dedication and perseverance that brought you here. This certification not only validates your expertise, but can also open doors to new career opportunities. Whether you're looking to improve your existing job prospects or break into the accounting field, being QuickBooks certified is a remarkable achievement that can continue to offer benefits